Rocky shores are biologically rich environments dominated by rock, giving marine organisms shelter from turbulence caused by waves and tides. A rocky shore consists of the supralittoral zone, which with mainly lichens inhabiting this area as well as periwinkles. The upper littoral zone contains mainly barnacles, limpets and spiral wrack. The mid-littoral zone contains various types of anemone, top shell, limpets and species of wrack. The lower littoral zone contains various types of crab, as well as kelp and more benthic marine invertebrates such as the snakelock anemone. Osilinus lineatus, also known as the thick top shell, is a sea mollusk which can grow up to 35 mm in height. They live on the middle to upper shoreline on rocky seashores in the northeast Atlantic. However, they are absent on the east coast of Britain and Scotland. They spend most of their time attached to rocks, feeding on microscopic plant material using its medulla, which has many fine teeth. During reproduction, Osilinus lineatus migrates to the upper eulittoral zone in early summer before spawning in order to reach high temperatures. The eggs usually sink to the bottom after 20 minutes, and the larvae feed on the yolk until 29 to 30 hours after fertilization. Actinia equina, also known as the beadlet anemone, are found on both sheltered and exposed shores attached to hard surfaces such as rocks. They are found all over the coast of Britain and Ireland. Actinia equina has up to 192 retractable tentacles and a base which measures up to 5 cm in diameter. Having retractable tentacles makes the beadlet anemone one of the few Actinaria able to survive in the intertidal zone because it allows them to reduce their surface area, thus helping to reduce water loss. They are also able to trap water inside their bodies, which helps stop an enemy from drying out at low tide. Actinia equina are territorial animals, and when two neighbouring beadlets' tentacles come into contact, they will sting each other with their nematocysts until one crawls away. Carcinus maenas, also known as the common shore crab, is the most common type of crab found on the shores of Britain and is present in either the upper, middle or lower shore, and can even be found in depths of up to 60 metres. They are also able to cope with various levels of salinity, as they are also found in salt marshes and estuaries. Carcinus maenas can also survive in a range of temperatures from just above freezing to 33 degrees C. The carapace is up to 8 cm wide and is always wider than its length. There are 5 serrated teeth on the edge of the shell behind its eyes and 3 rounded teeth between its eyes. Nucella lapillus, also known as the dog whelk, are found all over the rocky shores of Britain and Ireland. They are carnivorous, therefore their diet includes barnacles, mussels, cockles and other gastropods. To feed on prey, Nucella lapillus drills a small hole into the shell of its prey and releases digestive enzymes to liquefy the body and sucks up the liquid using its proboscis. Nucella lapillus has a medulla used for rasping onto flesh. In reproduction, the female dog whelk was fertilised within it, and the embryos which reside in the eggs develop outside the body, which makes them oviparous.